Good morning, students. Hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are going to start a new poem of class 3rd English. What's in the mailbox? Look at the picture. Have you ever seen the letter box? And if you've seen, where you have seen this letter box? Okay. Generally, we will find the red color mailbox or letter box near the post office in the market or near the market. We put letter in the post box. Postman take out from the post box and delivers the letter to the one whom we write the letter. Let's see the poem and understand the meaning. Most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3. Most of the time when the postman visits our house, he carry 2 or 3 letters in his hand. They are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. When the postman brings letter in his hand, the letters are only for the poet's mother or dad. But the postman never brings any letter for the poet. This sweet little girl. She is very sad as he accepts letter for herself too. I am going to write some letters, though that's what I am going to do. Now the girl makes up her mind to write some letter to her friends. अब जो पोएट है ये गर्ल है, उसने अपना माइंड मेकअप कर लिया है कि अब वो किसी को लेटर लिखेगी. And then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too. Now the girl hopes that her friend will answer her letter in the future and the girl also get the letter in the coming days too. She extends to express her thought and emotions by communicating it through a letter and receive the sweet reply from her friend too. Let us recite the poem once again.
My poem's name is What's in the Mailbox. Most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I'm going to write some letters, though that's what I'm going to do, and then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too.
Hope all of you understood the poem. Now, let's start the word meaning one by one. Our first word is letter, means a printed communication. In Hindi, it is khat or patra ya chitti. Look at the picture. These are the images of letters. Next word is always, means at all time. In Hindi, hamesha. Look at the picture. In the first picture, sun always rises in the east. And look at the second picture. Sun always set in the west. Always means hamesha. Next word is never. Never means at no time. In Hindi, कभी नहीं. Never give up. कभी भी हमें हार नहीं मानना चाहिए. Next word is though. Though means but. In Hindi, लेकिन. Look at the picture. This is a picture of Tom and Jerry. Though Tom and Jerry were very good friends, yet they quarreled often. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं टॉम एंड जेरी बहुत ही अच्छे दोस्त हैं लेकिन फिर भी वो एक दूसरे के साथ कभी कभी लड़ते हैं, लड़ाई करते हैं। Hope all of you understood the poem and word meaning of the poem. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.